Hey guys, this is Theo here, and welcome to Lesson 11, the final lesson here on Free Code Camp, Responsive Web Design Certification, Applied Visual Design. So we'll just be reviewing this one again. Use a Bezier curve to move a graphic. We'll be doing one more lesson, quick one. So it says a previous challenge discussed the ease out keyword that describes an animation change that speeds up first and then slows down at the end of the animation. On the right, the difference between the ease out keyword and linear keyword is demonstrated. Similar animation progressions to the ease out keyword can be achieved by using a custom cubic Bezier curve function. In general, changing the P1 and P2 anchor points drives the creation of different Bezier curves, which controls how the animation progresses through time. Here's an example of a Bezier curve using values to mimic the ease out style. So remember, it starts slow, then speeds up. And that's what, it speeds up first, then slows down, right? So it's going 0, and then it's sort of slowing down. So remember that all cubic Bezier functions start with P0 at 0, 0. These are the x coordinates, xy to begin with, and end with P3 at 1, 1. In this example, the curve moves faster through the y-axis, starts at 0, goes to P1, y value 0, then to P2 value 1, then it moves through the x-axis. As a result, the change of the animated element progresses faster than the time of the animation of that segment. Towards the end of the curve, the relationship between the change in x and y value reverses. The y value moves from 1 to 1, and the x value moves from 0.58 to 1, making the animation changes progress slower compared to the animation duration. So to see the effect of the Bezier curve in action, change the animation time function to 0.58. So we already have this here, but we can sort of see if we play with it, right? Now it's going slow in the beginning, right? And then it should go fast there, right? But what happens if we do that? Then it's going to go. So you can mess around with it again. I'm not an expert at any of this. But yeah. Cool. All right. And now we'll just go on to the last one. I think we already did that one, actually. Let me see. All right. I don't think we did this one. Never mind. Make motion more natural using a Bezier curve. So you can read about this. Defines a juggling movement. So we're going to go up and down. So change the value of the animation time function of the element with ID of green to be this. So we want 311. We want 441. We want 0.444. And we want 1.649. And that's kind of cool. We have like this sort of juggling, almost like symphony orchestrated right here. Cool. So let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. And as you can see, guys, next up we'll be going on to the introduction to the applied accessibility challenges. Hope you guys enjoyed this series. I will catch you guys in this next video. So have a great day. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Always make sure to check out the courses on React in the comments in the description box. If you're interested, I do get a cut. Great way to learn React in 2019. And take care.